In this video, we are going to review SMS. SMS is used to create text message templates that are used in SMS broadcast campaigns and to create SMS automation to automatically respond to leads. To create an SMS template or automation, click on the Administration tab. Select Setup from the left side menu, and then click SMS. Create a new SMS template by clicking Create SMS Template. Enter a name for your template and a brief description. And then click Create. Write your SMS message in this box. To make a dynamic SMS that includes details specific to the lead, use message elements. For example, if you want the SMS to include a lead name, select First Name from the drop-down menu, and then click the green plus icon. Messages can also include other information unique to the lead, such as an account balance. Any lead information in DC Dial can be dynamically inserted into an SMS message. To preview your message, click here. You can also include links to a survey, the payment portal, or an external website. Include a survey in your message by clicking here. Enter a name for your survey and a brief description. A one-click survey allows you to build a survey that changes the lead status with just one click. For example, you could send a message that says, "Click here if you plan to vote." When the lead clicks the link, their status will be automatically changed to the status designated here. In this case, renewal. You can also build a more comprehensive survey here to collect feedback from your leads. Enter a survey question here and list the possible responses below. Click the green plus icon to add more survey questions. To add this survey to your SMS, select Survey from the drop-down menu and then click the green plus icon. Preview your message here. When leads click the link, they will automatically be sent to your survey. Include a payment link in your SMS message by enabling this toggle. Select which payment gateway you would like to use. To include an external link, enable this toggle and insert the link to be included in the message. To embed a text-to-speech message in the SMS, enable this toggle and choose a text-to-speech message from the drop-down menu. Again, for any of these to be visible in the SMS message, you must add them using message elements. Include an opt-out option in the SMS here. This will add an opt-out message to the end of your SMS. Leads will be able to text stop, and the system will automatically disable messages to that number. All leads that text stop will be added to the campaign Do Not Call list. You can also test the SMS message by sending it to your own phone number here. When you have finished building your SMS message, click Submit. From the SMS page, you can also create SMS automation. SMS automation allows you to automate text message responses to your leads and automatically change lead statuses. DC Dial will detect trigger words in incoming text messages to automate responses. To create an SMS automation, click Create Automation Rule. Enter a name for your rule and a brief description. And then click Create. SMS automation is useful to program replies to customers looking for specific information such as their current balance, payment due date, or the link to make a payment. Each automation rule can have up to 4 different actions. For example, you can have a rule for customers looking for the link to make a payment. Enter a name for this rule, and select the action as Send Payment Link. And then add words that will trigger the system to send the payment link to the lead. For example, if a lead sends an SMS with the word pay or payment, the system will automatically send an SMS response with the payment link. You can also change the lead status when an SMS automation occurs. For example, you can automatically change the lead status to SMS replied for all leads that the system sent an automated reply to. You can create other SMS automation rules that move leads to another campaign, send another SMS template, or add the lead to a do not call list. When you have finished creating your SMS automation, click Submit. The SMS automation rule will not be applied unless it is associated with an SMS template. To associate an automation with an SMS, click on SMS Templates, go to the SMS Modify page, and select an automation rule from the drop-down menu. And then click Submit. You can associate an SMS template and an SMS automation rule to an SMS broadcast campaign from the campaign settings page or from the dashboard. You are now ready to use SMS templates and automation rules.